Hey guys, so my name is Nick, call sign I used to be in the Army, and bro, when I was in the Army, bro, man, I drove a tank and then I crashed it, bro. So they gave me a different vehicle to work with. I got hurt in basic. I never got to deploy, but I was really looking for some action. So now I drive a bike. Some people make fun of me and say, you know, it doesn't really count, but I think as long as we're killing with who cares? I got this bag. This helps me carry my gun while I am on my bike, and I'm just really hoping that I don't have another crash and be stuck with just the... Oh, man, I guess this one's toast too. Welcome back, everyone. Many people all over the world choose a bicycle as their preferred method of transportation. But part of the problem with riding a bicycle is storage. If you're carrying a defensive firearm, your comfort becomes a real issue when you're riding your bike. Falco Holsters has a solution for this problem. Whether you need to carry a pistol, medical supplies, or snacks, I think you should take a look at the G125 and G126 bicycle bags. First, let's look at the G125. The G125 attaches to the frame of your bike. It attaches using these trifold Velcro loops. The bike bag has three main compartments. The main compartment is this dedicated firearm compartment. The whole inside is loop and will attach to your holster. Right now I have my SIG P238 HD in there. Then we have our side pockets here, or front pocket, whatever you want to call it. These are perfect for whatever, credit card, ID, anything like that you want to carry. The last pouch is the Edc Pocket on the other side, and that's usually where you keep your protein bars or whatever weird stuff you're into. All of the pouches are secured using YKK zippers. Another interesting option is you can opt for quiet zippers if you don't want to be jingling and jangling while you roll down the street. One of the other appeals to this bag is its subtlety. It's not tactical, and they actually have some pretty cool colors available. My favorite is the mosaic orange. I'm not afraid of a loud outfit. If unzipping is too slow, the G125 also has a pull tab, and it will open the entire bag in one motion. This nylon bag is recommended by Falco Holsters instead of carrying on your body. In case you fall, you won't injure yourself. My advice, just don't fall. Now let's look at the G126 top tube bag. The 126 can be used instead of or with the G125. This bag attaches to the top tube of your bike and is ideal for carrying things that you want to access quickly. It also attaches using the same Velcro loops. It is a very well built, high quality nylon bag. I like that they have these pull tabs here on the zippers so you're not fishing around for this little nubby thing, right? You get a good hold on it, pull. It's a bit smaller than the 125, which means you may need to carry a smaller gun. It's ideal for a J-frame revolver or something with maybe a little more flair, like my Walther PP. When used together, these two bags give you a ton of storage options. The double zippers make sure that you can access whatever your preferred defensive tool is from any direction. No matter where you're riding your bike, Falco will get you a holster. Everything comes directly from Falco, all the way from Slovakia. Make sure you check the website for compatibility with your bike. Thank you for watching. Please take your own personal defense serious. You are your own first responder. We'll see you around.